a mascara, the Sexy Pulp. Hi everyone, we're gonna do something really fun today, and that is to unbox this beautiful advent calendar from Yves Rocher. This is their beauty advent calendar box for 2020, currently available on their website. They are a French cosmetics brand that is more well known and purchased in European countries. I don't see a lot of people in America talking about Yves Rocher, but Yves Rocher was one of the very first brands where I used a lot of skincare before I really knew anything about skincare. I remember when I was in college and I was actually on an overseas trip or studying abroad in Europe. It was my first time in Europe. And I remember that in my suitcase, I had a bunch of skincare from Yves Rocher. And so I haven't used anything in the past several years from the brand, but the brand gives me a lot of nostalgic memories. And I am really, really happy that I get to return to the brand, and this box is, even on the outside, super, super pretty, and I'm very excited to be able to show you what's inside. So of course, this will be a kind of spoilers. If you want to be surprised by what is in this box, then maybe this is not quite the video for you, but if you want to have fun looking in each little individual box up until Christmas, and you may even want to consider whether this is a good value for you, then keep watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can follow Allure Beauty over on Instagram. If you missed my latest video, I'll link that in the upper right hand corner. If you like unboxing videos, I did an unboxing video with my dog Dexter, and we unboxed a subscription box for dogs. So if that sounds fun to you, then I will also link that in the upper right hand corner for you to go check out. Make sure you check the description box. I will link to where this is currently available. It is still in stock. It probably will run out of stock as we get closer to Christmas. Any discounts that I can provide you or coupon codes that I can provide you will also be next to that link in the description box. And of course, a link to Rakuten, so that if you are spending money online, you can at least get some cash back. And I would not be surprised if my very dark purple lipstick transfers onto my teeth and looks kind of funny throughout this video. All right, so this box is $69. It contains a mixture of makeup, skincare, and fragrance. Here is the box just up close on the outside. On the back, you will get the ingredients for the skincare items. The box flips open like this first. It's just super, super pretty. I know there are a lot of advent calendars out on the market. I've never, in all these past years that I've been on YouTube, been super drawn to them, with the exception of maybe the one that Yes Style has, which is very difficult to get your hands on. It sells out just super quickly. But this one is definitely very attractive and appealing to the eye. And just from looking at the list of products and the price point, it seems to be a pretty good value. So they say that you can actually reuse this box if you wanted to, this packaging. Inside, you're gonna get individual slide out boxes that each contain an item or a product. And they are listed from, actually they are kind of random. They don't go in order really, but it goes from 1 to, I assume, 24 for the 24 days before Christmas. Let's go ahead. Here is box number 1 that I'm gonna slide out. And not only is each individual box numbered and designed with its own unique design, but on the side, it kind of gives you a description of the product inside, which is really cool. So this tube here, this is the, what is this called? Glow Granita Scrub with Organic Anthemis. It is 1 full fluid ounce, and it says to apply on damp face 2 times a week, massage, then rinse. So it sounds like an exfoliator for the face. There's a close-up of the product. All right, box number 2, where are you? Right here. Ooh, it's looks like a shower gel, the Pomme d'Ivoire. Okay, I don't speak French, so please don't crucify me. Winter apples. Yes, it is a bath and shower gel. 1.6 fluid ounces, or 50 mils. Ooh, yeah, definitely has an apple or pear scent to it, but then also a little bit of spice, like maybe a cinnamon or clove. So box number 3 is down here. Got a little hummingbird. No, not a hummingbird, just a regular bird on there. This is Sensitive Chamomile, the micellar water for sensitive skin. I don't detect any scent to it, and I don't see any added fragrance in this. Again, 1.6 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. That's what it looks like up close. I forgot to show you the shower gel packaging, so there that is. Number 4. Ooh, this is Hydra Vegetable, I don't know. Hydra Gel Ultra Fresh Cleansing Gel, there we go. 1 fluid ounce or 30 mils. This is clear. So it is a cleanser. It says apply morning and evening on damp face. And there you go. Box number 5. Larger box again. Ooh, what is this? This is the Brilliance and Shine. Oh, dull hair rinsing vinegar. Very interesting. I've never used a product like that. 1.6 fluid ounces, 50 mils. What does it say on the box? See, it's really nice to have kind of the description of what the product's supposed to do and how to use it on the box. That's French, but on the other side it says, the secret to shiny hair, this rinsing vinegar with 99% ingredients from natural origin. It neutralizes lime scale and other dulling factors. That's really cool. There are very few products on the market nowadays, since this is what I do in my free time, where it's truly new to me, and this is a brand new type of product to me. Day number 6. Where are you? Here we go. Ooh, it's a lipstick shaped kind of tube. Ooh. Oh, it's a little mini kohl pencil in the shade Noir 01. So it looks like your standard kohl pencil in a black shade. Number 7. Ooh, one of the ones on the roof. It's a wedge-shaped box here. How do I open this? All right, let's see. We have Magnolia White Tea. Oh, this is a relaxing bath and shower gel. 1.6 fluid ounces or 50 mils. It has kind of an opalescent, ooh, look to it. Definitely like kind of more floral. That's what that looks like. Day number 8. Why am I getting worse at finding these numbers? Okay, down here, I'm gonna guess this is gonna be another makeup item. Oh, no, it's a fragrance, our first fragrance. So what is this called? It just says eau de parfum. Oh no, it says Plein Soleil. Let me refer to my box here. Always prioritizing ingredients from natural origin. That is our creed, which is why the alcohol contained in our perfumes is of botanical origin. Interesting, but I don't know exactly. I guess that's the name of the fragrance right there. I am not good at picking out, identifying, and describing scents. With that said, if I had to describe this, I feel like it would be a fusion of something kind of floral and then maybe something linen-like or powder-like, if that makes sense. But you get a fair amount. It's not one of those little small sample sizes. You may get, it's 4 milliliters, 0.13 fluid ounces. Moving on to day number 9. Ooh, this is a much tinier bottle than I was expecting. This is another Hydra Vegetal. This is the Non-Stop Moisturizing Gel Cream, but you only get 7 mils in here. I wish this were the full 1 ml bottle like the other ones. It says it's a gel cream with 48-hour non-stop hydration. Number 10 is right underneath number 9. And inside, ooh, is our first nail product. This is the Go Green Nail Polish, and it's in the shade Rose Hortensia. And you get 5 milliliters. Definitely healthy serving of nail polish for multiple applications. Let's see what's inside the bottle here. Ooh, they utilize a very wide and rounded brush. And I would describe this as a very dusty, kind of boysenberry color or a purplish rose color. Number 11 is over here. All right, back to these larger size bottles, 1 fluid ounce of the Gommage scrub. It is a botanical scrub with apricot powder, and that's what this one looks like. Moving on to day number 12 here. This is a mask, the Purifying Gel Mask with organic peppermint, another fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Says you leave on for 10 minutes, use up to 2 times a week, with packaging like this. Day number 13 is over here. And inside is nutrition or nourishing for dry hair. This is a cream shampoo with restoring avocado inside. Let's see what scent it has. Oh, interesting. It does have more of an herbal scent. It's light. I wouldn't say it's a strong scent. And now that I know that there's avocado in here, that's kind of, I can pick that up, but I don't know that I would say avocado on smelling it if I didn't know that already. There's what the shampoo looks like. Number 14 is up here. This is another shower gel, the Midnight Berries shower gel. Oh my gosh. This smells like champagne and berries, exactly. Fun and festive packaging, love that fragrance. Day number 15 is down here. Ooh, this is a Midnight Berries. Oh, so it's hopefully going to be in that same scent. Midnight Berries. It looks like a lip balm. Yes, nourishing lip balm with a berry scent. Enriched with shea butter and olive oil, this lip balm provides lips with immediate comfort while leaving them delicately scented. There's 4.8 grams in here. Day number 16. This is an ultra rich shower, comforting shower balm. Interesting. All it says is rinse well. Let's see what the box says. It says the secret of the ultra rich shower balm with 2/3 botanical oils. Its rich texture nourishes your skin. So I guess you apply this in the shower and then you rinse it off, but it leaves more of a hydrating and sealing or nourishing film on the body. It does have a slight scent. I don't think it's very strong, and it is kind of warm and truthfully comforting. That's what the packaging looks like. All right, we're going on to day number 17. This is the Argan and Rose hand cream. It says Hammam hand cream. You get 1 fluid ounce. Beautiful packaging on this. Perfect for just throwing in your purse and taking around with you. Oh, interesting. It does have a mixture, kind of an intersection of something that smells more warm and then also floral. Moving on to day number 18, right in the middle here. You've got a reindeer on that box too. Ooh, this is a mascara, the Sexy Pulp. Sexy Pulp Volume Extreme Mascara. You get 0.33 fluid ounces or 10 milliliters of product. Yeah, it says Sexy Pulp Mascara in the shade 01 Noir, so it's a black shade. That's what the packaging looks like. Your new ally, this Sexy Pulp with its creamy texture enriched with coating Carnauba wax that thickens each lash without weighing it down for extreme volume. And again, a very healthy, maybe this is full size because it is, well, I don't know. I don't know if this is full size. Let me check. Oh, this is the full size. 10 milliliters is a full-sized product. And apparently this is their best-selling mascara that they have on their website. Day number 19. We're getting down to the last handful, but where are you? Here, right under 18. And here we have one of the smaller tubes. I wish they kept them all the larger size. Sensitive Chamomile, the corrective green cream for sensitive skin. This is supposed to help even out your complexion and reduce redness. That's what the tube looks like. This one only being 7 milliliters. Moving along to day number 20. Oh, another fragrance. This is Coeur de Nuit. Nuit means night, right? I don't know what C-U-I-R means, but same size as the other one. Oh, this one has a more, actually, I feel like this one's more masculine in a way and has more of a powdery tone to it. There's the name for all my French speakers and readers out there. Oh, it says it has notes of vanilla, coca, and coffee. Box number 21 here. This is so fun to go each day. And if you had this box and you could just anticipate getting to look at something new every day up until Christmas, this is the Hydration Moisturizing Lotion, Aloe Vera Pulp. I don't know, is pulp like a thing in French skincare? Someone who knows, let me know in the comments below. For dry skin, 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. Looks like this. Only a couple more left. Number 22, where are you? Here. This is a Universal Botanical Balm Repair for dry or damaged hair. 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. So this is a hair mask. Oh, it's a leave-in repair hair cream that you can use 3 times a week. And that's what that looks like. Day number 23. Come on. Another nail polish. This is the shade Cerise, it's not Noir, because it's N-O-I-R-E, Noire? I don't know. But it's this deeper kind of wine berry shade, very much up my alley. Again, that wide, flat, curved brush. And the final box, the 24th day, is going to be a full-size product. Very good to end on a full-size product, and it's a makeup product. It is a lipstick. It's one of their matte lipsticks in the shade 156. It says, the last surprise of the calendar, the Grand Rouge matte lipstick. With its formula enriched with camellia oil, it provides a matte finish that remains comfortable all day long. So that is the shade that you can see there, and really pretty metal-like gold, kind of like a warm gold packaging. All right, so there are your 24 items from Yves Rocher's Advent Calendar Beauty Box. We had nail products, we had skincare, we had bath products, we had makeup products, we had fragrance. Did I miss anything? I think that covered the gamut of it. So a really wide variety of the kinds of products that they sell on their site. I do wish that those couple of tubes of the smaller sizes had been the larger kind of deluxe sample sizes. But given that most advent calendars throw in a bunch of teeny tiny little tubes, I think that that's a pretty minor knock on this specific box. For the most part, almost entirely, you get bigger deluxe size samples and also a couple of full size items in here too. The total value for this box, when you work out the size and products, is over $148. So you're certainly getting your money's worth when this retails for $69. And personally, I think the thing I'm most excited about is those shower gels to try out. But let me know in the comment section below what you would be most excited to try in this box, or if you have any other advent calendars that you are super excited about. I already mentioned the Yes Style one. I've tried before to get my hands on it to unbox for you guys, but it just doesn't happen. And they send them out way ahead of time to influencers anyway, so I don't think that I'd get to show you anything that you couldn't see way before I would get to publish my video, even if I purchased it. But let me know any other boxes or advent calendar boxes that you think are really, really a good value, and I'll see if I can check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for taking your time to watch these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.